Hi everybody, just doing a quick video here for people that are headed to the Ehrenberg Cleanup or are coming down for Skooliepaloza. Ehrenberg Cleanup is December 20th till January 2nd, I believe, and Skooliepaloza is January 20th to the 27th. To get to either one in Ehrenberg, if you're coming from the east or the west, you're going to come down I-10 and get off at the Ehrenberg exit. We'll get to that. So if that's the way you're coming, you can skip ahead, and I will see if I can put the time to skip to down here. If you're coming from the north, I'm in Parker at the Walmart in Parker, which is the closest Walmart. So if there's things you do there, Parker is the closest one, and I think we're 30-something miles away from Ehrenberg by one route, and about 27 or 8 to Parker or to Quartzsite. So I will from here give you a couple of choices of as we go, and hopefully that'll help people find their way. So let's get going. Now, for people coming this way, if you want a decent place to overnight on your way, there is a casino just north of Walmart. You can park there overnight for a few nights. They do have a pretty good buffet. If you're coming down on Friday night, I think it's a prime rib and seafood buffet, and on Saturdays it's just prime rib. Just prime rib. So anyway, you're coming down here into the main corner. You're going to see a sign where 95 south turns at this next light and heads towards Quartzsite. So if you go the other way, you go to California, but this is the way we get down to Ehrenberg and Quartzsite. So let me get around the corner and I'll show you what the next intersection where you want to make a turn or make a choice. So the next place you got to make a decision is this corner right here, right near the Running Man Fuel. If you go straight, you go to Quartzsite. It's about 26-27 miles, I think the sign said. Or you turn, this is the Parker Ehrenberg Road. It's a Indian Route 1. And this will take us right down into Ehrenberg. And I don't see a sign yet that says how far, but this is, if you're coming down to Ehrenberg, this is the fastest way from Parker. And it's actually a little bit prettier because we're going to go through some farmland. So we'll pick this up down the other end. Well, like I said, it's farmland, a lot of green. We've got a big irrigation ditch going just next to the road over here, and the Colorado River is just over there near those houses. We're probably right along the banks. So this is all the Colorado Indian tribe land. So this is all the farmland. That goes all the way down from Parker. Actually, Parker, I think, is within that, all the way down to Ehrenberg. So again, this is a much prettier route just because it's green in a sea of desert and brown. The road down to Quartzsite is nothing but desert. So after what feels like forever, is you get into actual Ehrenberg. And come in this way. Let's see, up here a little ways will be the post office. On the right, you have to get by the Royal Palms. RV estate. You've got the post office. They've been pretty decent as far as general delivery. Quartzsite, they limit you to an hour, hour and a half in the afternoon. I've never had a problem picking it up anytime there. And then we get down here a little ways. I think there's right here, that's the school. You definitely want to watch, and sheriff's department's right there. You definitely want to watch your speed down through here, especially school weekdays. So I've never had a problem, but then again, I do pay attention to, you know, the speed limits. Get down here, just the quick stop, where this blue building is a drinking water station. You get it, you know, I think it was something like $1/4 gallon. Your other option is right down here. If you've got tanks to fill up, this would be the place to go. So the Air and Water Station Mini Mart. It's the Ehrenberg Mall. So where these two RVs are is the water station to fill up. Good water. It's like $2. And I said it's a laundromat. There's a little bit of everything in this place. I said it spent $2 to fill up my RV tank, and the dump station here, some jackass decided that he was mad at him, so he filled their drains up with rocks. So they've shut the free dump station down. You can go up here, and we're going to get up here in a minute, but if you go into Blythe, you can go to the sewage treatment place and dump there. It's like $7. I think it's open 24 hours. But we'll go this way. If you're going to be in the area for a long time, like me, you can, in the mall here, they will have a box, and you can, it's $10 deposit, $12 a month. You can get it for a couple of months, a month, 6 months, whatever you want. Real handy if you're getting Amazon packages or well, any kind of package, and or even mail you can get delivered here. So I'm going to go in and pick up some stuff I had sent from Amazon. So across from the mall is a perpetual flea market. There's always one or two people over there, or it seems like always, with typical flea market stuff, all kinds of things. And so get going here in a second. Now, if you're not stopping at the mall, you're going to take a left onto this, headed up towards I-10, the mall just straight across. And this is where people coming from east or west are going to get off at the Ehrenberg exit. There is I think it's a Flying J over here. There's a Sunoco. I think it's a Sunoco. But if you're coming from the east, the next exit down is Tom Walls Road, and I think it's a Pilot there that's less expensive in fuel, at least diesel. Right, so we're crossing the bridge. We come to a roundabout, and by the way, the dump station at the Flying J is also closed. and you can't get water there, but what we want to do is get on the frontage road east, which will be the second exit out of this roundabout. It's the one that goes over to the Flying J. You can get propane there, obviously fuel, there's Wendy's if you're into that. Or as you come around here, frontage road east that says dead end, that's the way you want to go. And I am not going down to the actual site for either of the events because the actual site has not been determined yet. This is early December 6th, I think. So we will eventually post that. But there you go. That's how you get down to the site. Frontage road is right there, and you just follow it along and up over that hill and look for lots of people. That's where we'll be. So hopefully we'll see you all at the either the Ehrenberg Cleanup over Christmas and New Year's, or Skooliepaloza at the end of January. So, see you later, YouTube.